I see the skyline, I'm ready to go. With power and strength, I'm putting on a show. You need a hero, I'll answer the call. Together we'll rise, we'll never fall. In this world of chaos, I'll stand by your side. I wanna be your lion and I'll shield your heart. I'll be your sword, striking light from the dark. Like Captain America, I'll stand strong and true. And when it gets tough, I'll always save you. With a heart of steel, I'll always protect. My love for you is what I'll project. Fighting through darkness, we'll light up the way. Just take my hand, together we'll slay. Through every battle, our love won't hide. I wanna be your Iron Man, I'll shield your heart. I'll be your sword, striking light from the dark. Like Captain America, I'll stand strong and true.
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's out and about, and I'm finally getting back to my flooring. I just took out all the nails from the floorboards. Now I'm going to take them into the room and place them where I believe they need to be. I didn't mark them, so it's going to be a little easier. Just got to make sure I remember my system. And once that's done, I brought a nail gun a month ago, so I need to go get it, read the directions on it, get my air compressor out, and bring all that stuff here so I can nail all this stuff back on the wall. And then once I do that, I need to get some wood putty, cover up all the holes and imperfections, and wait till it dry, then paint the baseboards. And once I paint the baseboards, I'm bringing all that furniture that you saw in my garage in a few videos, at least some of it, upstairs, and stick it in that room so I can make that room complete and we can use it as a guest room. I'm going to use it as a guest room, and then I'm going to finish the hallway up here with planks. I still need to get transitions. I still haven't gotten them yet. I'm going to get some transitions, and I should be done with the guest bedroom and this hallway within a few days, I think. I don't think it's going to take me that long. What is today? Thursday? Hopefully by Sunday. Let's say Monday. So I can get this done, and then I can relax a little bit. I already got the flooring, so I don't have to buy that for my next project. But I'm going to wait a little bit because I got to get the RV inspected, clean out the RV if we want to take a quick trip before they clamp out. Maybe even 2 trips before they clamp out. And a few other things I just need to do. Oh, I got to fix the fence out there, and that's coming tomorrow. Well, you know what? I'm going to finish the fence first before I do this, so it might be the middle of next week by the time I get done with all this. So I'm going to move everything over right now.
En la carretera, juntos seguimos con fe. Con un tráiler nuevo, el mundo vamos a ver. Shelly y José van en día en nuestro interior. Cada aventura nos llena de amor y calor. juntos en cada paso, no hay nada que temer. Tú súbete al gozo, ven y síguenos hoy. Cada ruta es un cuento, cada risa es un hoy. El cielo es el límite, nuestra meta es soñar. El mundo nos espera, vamos a brillar.
I got them all lined up. I just need to clean them up a little bit before we nail them in to the wall.
Ella pinta el soñar, listos para el camino, ven y únete ya. Cada viaje grabamos historias que contar. Súbete al gozo, ven y síguenos hoy. Cada ruta es un cuento, cada risa es un hoy. El cielo es el límite, nuestra meta es soñar. El mundo nos espera, vamos a brillar. En el viaje grabamos historias que contar.
3 hours later.
Alright, I'm back. I gotta go look for my nail gun, which I know is over there somewhere in that pile. So hopefully it's not hard to get to. And my thing of nails that I got, which I think I know where they're at. What else do I need? I think that's it. Found it. Didn't even open it yet. Oh, that's right, I need my compressor too. Damn it. Thought it was done. There's Shelly's brother, Sam. That's him right there. He was in Tops. In Tops in Lexington, the men's issue. Oh, look at that. Tops in Lexington. I don't know who the other two are. Cool. It was in her mom's house, so we grabbed it to preserve it.
In the whisper of a tree, we find ourselves. Together we move at our own pace. Striding straight with friends by our side, we're sharing as we take each stride. Let's rise up the we see. We're adventure champions. Take it all today. With each path we wander, we pave our way. We find a plan, gather as a community. We'll embrace the space in number. A fun that which is in it by. We dare to exploring horizons. Where the wild winds go every new step, yes. Our confidence grows. We'll conquer just one step at a time. We're adventure champions. Taking all a day. With each path we wander, we pave our way. A place, together as a community, we'll embrace the space. Join us in this journey. the hand will go. Adventure awaits us. Together we'll grow.
Thanks, babe. How's it taste? Huh? Say hi to the peeps. Oh, look who's on. Blue Ox Inspection. That's Pierre.
So I had to start laughing because I'm in the back here. I already know what I have outside. I'll show you a little bit later on this particular slide out. I mean, the whole floor is rotten.
If you want to learn a lot, watch these guys. Blue Ox, Floral, and Pierre.
So here's the front end. And I would say
I mean, you're not going to get certified, but you can at least learn a lot from them.
they got started completely incredible.
Uh-oh, look at that. We bought a shirt for
And you can see it went down.
Rip. Just came in. My baby made a small pot of rice. Oh, what do you have in there, babe? Ham? Spam, nice. Oh, that looks good. Some rice and beans for my barber. Before lunch, not quite lunch recap by Laurel.
1 hour later.
To the road we seek, mission to help, one RV at a time. Inspections, maintenance, all in our prime. Blue Ox on the run, always having fun. Join us on this adventure, come along for the ride. Whether full-time or part-time, our hearts open wide. Tips, tricks, and how-tos will be your guide, exploring the world with you by our side. Storing and travel, our passion so true. Together we journey with skies so blue. Subscribe and ring the bell, stay tuned with glee. Come join Pierre and Laurel on the road wild and free. Blue Ox on the run, full of laughter and cheer. With Pierre and Laurel, it's always clear.
We are all about getting out and exploring what life has to offer. All speed is not fast. We take our time, we will get there eventually. Embracing the journey, feeling so fine. Flipping through the pages of the Gonzo book. This is not about reading, but about the look. Come and join us, see which road we took. Come on and like and subscribe to the Gonzo book.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You've been through the ringer. They could make a movie of your life. Everything that you've been through. And I can't believe I get to call you my wife. From the day I met you, even through the internet, I knew you were the one made just for
Well, I don't need these anymore.
And after Ruby Tuesday,
Alright, I am done with this room. Oh, it's just a trim, you know, like I was telling you before. So I still got probably one day to go and, you know, put all the putty and fix the walls, and then go around spot painting well, I might paint the whole thing, all the baseboard, and then start moving stuff in. So I hope you liked it. It's taken me a long time, but I'm retired, so little by little. So the series is going on. So the first couple of series, I think it's from H14-25, which, and then it goes to H06-25, and then this would be H whatever it is, 13 or 14. I think it might be 14 or 15. So because I did a lot of stuff outside. Now we're gonna do my fence tomorrow, but I just got an email saying it's not gonna be delivered tomorrow. Just the hardware. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow. It's gonna be delivered Monday, so that screws up my plan a little bit. So I'm gonna work on this. So if I don't have anything to do, I'm gonna head over to Home Depot and get that stuff so I can finish this room hopefully tomorrow. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
You, baby, always in for